Essentia is a multivitamin and iron product that is used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency. It is commonly used when a person has a poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins and iron are important for the body and help to maintain good health. It is important to take Essentia as directed by your healthcare provider to ensure you are getting the proper dosage. It is best to take Essentia with a meal to help with absorption. When taking Essentia, it's best to take it by mouth, usually once a day. Follow the directions on the product package or as directed by your doctor. Avoid taking more than the recommended dosage. It's best to take Essentia on an empty stomach, 1 hour before or 2 hours after meals, with a full glass of water unless directed otherwise by your doctor. If you experience stomach upset, you can take Essentia with food. Avoid taking antacids, dairy products, tea, or coffee within 2 hours before or after taking Essentia as it may decrease its effectiveness. Wait at least 10 minutes before lying down after taking the tablets or capsules. If you are taking the delayed release form or extended release capsules, swallow them whole without crushing or chewing. It's important to take Essentia regularly in order to get the most benefit from it, so try to take it at the same time each day. If you experience constipation, diarrhea, or an upset stomach while taking Essentia, these effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body gets used to the medication. If they persist or worsen, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Iron in Essentia might cause your stools to turn black, but this is not harmful. If your doctor has prescribed Essentia, it means they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. While it's rare, a serious allergic reaction to Essentia can occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Accidental overdose of iron-containing products is a leading cause of fatal poisoning in children younger than 6 years. It is important to keep Essentia out of reach of children to prevent accidental ingestion. If overdose does occur, seek immediate medical assistance or contact a poison control center. Before starting Essentia, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to any of its ingredients, or have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues, such as soy found in some brands. It's important to discuss this with your pharmacist for more details. Also, be sure to tell your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history before taking Essentia. This includes any iron overload disorder, alcohol use or abuse, liver problems, and stomach or intestinal problems. If your brand of Essentia contains folic acid, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have a vitamin B12 deficiency before taking it. Folic acid can affect certain lab tests for vitamin B12 deficiency without treating this anemia, which can result in serious nerve problems. Be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Before undergoing any surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, it's important to inform your doctor before using Essentia. Additionally, this medication passes into breast milk, so be sure to consult your doctor before breastfeeding while using Essentia. When taking Essentia, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. This product can decrease the absorption of other drugs such as bisphosphonates, levodopa, penicillamine, quinolone antibiotics, thyroid medications, and tetracycline antibiotics. It's recommended to separate your doses of these medications as far as possible from your doses of Essentia. If your multivitamin contains folic acid, be sure to tell your doctor if you take certain anti-seizure drugs. Additionally, Essentia may interfere with certain lab tests, so be sure to inform lab personnel and your doctors that you are using this product. Remember to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. And as always, do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. If you or someone else has taken too much Essentia and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. You can call 911 or your local poison control center right away. In the US, the number for poison control is 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call your provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. If Essentia has been prescribed for you, it's important not to share it with others. Make sure to attend all your medical and lab appointments. Some brands may have additional ingredients, so always ask your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions about the specific brand you are taking. It's important to note that Essentia is not a replacement for a healthy diet, so it's best to get your essential vitamins and minerals from the food you eat. It's important to maintain a well-balanced diet and follow any dietary guidelines given to you by your doctor. If you are taking Essentia on a prescribed schedule and happen to miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. However, if it is close to the time of your next dose, it's best to just skip the missed dose and take your next dose at the regular time. It's important not to double the dose to catch up. When storing Essentia, it's important to keep it at room temperature and away from light and moisture. Avoid storing it in the bathroom and always keep it out of reach of children and pets. It is also crucial to properly dispose of Essentia when it is expired or no longer needed. Do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. It's best to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal methods. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.